Today I have something special for you. I have 3 applications that you can use in 2024 in order to start making money online. And guess what? I'm trying to keep it real. I don't want to tell you that those applications are going to make you a millionaire or billionaire. What this application can do for you is to make you money in order for you to take care of your daily expenses. That's all. And yeah, before I forget, this is all you need in order for you to take those surveys or to make that money. The first application on our list is UserTesting. If you enjoy giving your opinion or testing out new products, UserTesting is for you. UserTesting connects you with businesses or companies in order for you to test out their products, their applications, or their websites. So UserTesting is out there looking for real customer feedback. That is why they pay you money in order for you to do those tests. I have been able to make money on UserTesting. I've made, I think, up to $150 on one of my accounts, and I've also made up to $30 on another account. So I have 2 different accounts, one with the United States VPN and one with the Netherlands VPN. So I've taken so many tests on UserTesting. There was one test that I've been able to make $60 on it. So there are different ways to make money on UserTesting, like different amount of money for different level of tests. Sometimes you just answer surveys and it's $10 for that one, and then you can also make video calls like on Zoom. That one they can pay you $60 and $90 and all of that. And after you complete a test on UserTesting, you need to spend like 7 days, up to 7 days before they pay the amount of money in your PayPal account. So you need to link your PayPal account to your UserTesting. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can go and watch my video on how to open a PayPal account, and then you come back to this video and you continue from here. Like after you link your PayPal account to your UserTesting, then you are good to go. After 7 days, you receive your payment in your account. So now let me show you my UserTesting account. So guys, right now we are in one of my accounts on UserTesting. This is my Netherlands account, and as you can see here, I've been rated like 5 stars. Like I am a very good tester. And then if you come to this place, like these available tests, right now there's no test because like I told you, maybe my account got banned because I have not used my VPN, which is Proton VPN. If you are using UserTesting and you are not in the United States or you are not in Canada, you need to have a VPN. But if you violate the rules and you don't use the VPN and they notice that you are not in those countries like the United States, Canada, or all those European countries, then your account may get banned. So maybe this is what happened to my account. That's why I'm not receiving tests anymore. So if you come to test history, you'll see that I've been able to make up to 100. And okay, this is my my other account with the United States. So I've been able to only make $20 on this account. And you can see the first test I've been able to take on that account, I got reviewed like 4 stars. And then if you go to my other account with the Netherlands, you see that I've been able to make up to $120, and I've only taken 7 tests on that account. And you can see that I got paid $10. So everything is $120. So if you want to open your UserTesting account, you just need to go to Google Chrome and type UserTesting. And once you click on UserTesting, you will see the website. Then you need to click on Get Paid to Test. And then once you click on that, you need to enter your mail, right? You enter your email address, and once you enter your email address, it will take you to where you need to sign up and start taking tests. But if you really want to start UserTesting, just go on my YouTube channel and look for the video that I made on how to open an account. Anytime you receive a test on your browser on Google Chrome from your laptop, and if the test says that you need to take that test on your Android phone or your iPhone or your iPad, you always see it in your application in your phone. So you need to come to this place, and if you can see here there's UserTesting, just click on it. But right now I don't have any test, so you won't see anything. But in case I have a test, then you'll see that it will show on the screen. So they said I need to update it, so I'm updating it right now. So guys, I'll enter my email address. I'll sign in. I'll input my password. And you can see that I'm already on my account on my phone, so they say stay tuned in case I have test history. You can see that it's the same $120 that I showed you on my laptop, and I got rated 5 stars and all of that. So that's it. This is my account. So if you want to download UserTesting on your phone, just go to your Google Play Store in case you're using an Android phone, and if you're using a an iPhone, then you need to go to your Apple Store, and then you can install it and start using it. So that was it for UserTesting, and you can see that it's an easy way to make money online while helping companies to improve their products and everything. So the second application on our list is called Swagbucks. So Swagbucks is a very popular application known for various online activities. You can use Swagbucks to shop online, to watch videos, to take surveys, to play video games, to do affiliate marketing, and a lot more, a whole lot of things with Swagbucks. So Swagbucks pays you in Swagbucks, like the name says it, like Swagbucks pays you in Swagbucks, and 100 Swagbucks is equal to $1. So the more you get Swagbucks, the more opportunities you have to make money online. And I myself have been able to make money on Swagbucks, and for you to be able to withdraw the money you make on Swagbucks, you need to link your PayPal account to Swagbucks, or you need to convert the Swagbucks that you made on your Swagbucks account in a gift card so that you can convert it into Naira or the currency of your country and start spending it. So to make it short, Swagbucks is an application that is not going to replace your daily job at all, but it's an application that can put small money in your pocket in order for you to take care of your daily expenses, So don't go and quit your job because of Swagbucks, because you regret it, But it's an application that can put small amount of money in your pocket. So many people know Swagbucks. You can go and Google it, type on YouTube, and see that it's a legit something, and you can actually make money out of it if you are smart enough. Let's quickly go through Swagbucks on the laptop, and you can see how much I've been able to make with my Swagbucks. Although I've already withdrawn some money, I'm not really focused on Swagbucks again because it takes so much time to make money, on Swagbucks than making money on UserTesting. So once I discovered UserTesting, I quit Swagbucks. But I want to show you the amount of money that is in my account. This is my Swagbucks account, and as you can see, there's my name here, and see the amount of Swagbucks that I've been able to make. 187 Swagbucks. Guess how much it is? It is $1 and 87 cents. So that's the amount of money that I've been able to make on this Swagbucks. And every day you can take surveys. Like if you click on this answer, you have the opportunity to take surveys. You can answer here, play offline, and then you answer, and then you click this one. There's no right answer, just click anything you want. Just click anything you want. And you see that your Swagbucks will just keep increasing, So if you refresh it, you see that now I have 191 Swagbucks, guys. So you can be doing these surveys, like you always have this tab here to be taking surveys, and you can also shop, you can also play video games, you can also answer surveys, like earn 250 Swagbucks just playing this game. If you click on it, they will give you the opportunity to go and install it on your phone, but it's a very long process. If you want me to show you the process, then I'll go ahead and show you how to do it, but this video is going to be a short video, so I don't want to go through the process. You can play video games, you can shop online, and you can do more other things like refer and earn. That's what I call I was referring to as affiliate marketing. You can also shop, you can also play video games and do a whole lot of things. Like you can also have Swagbucks in your phone. So in case you're wondering, like, can I also have it on my phone? Since this video is titled 3 applications to make money on your phone, then can I also use my phone and make money on Swagbucks? Yes, the answer is yes. And we'll be like, okay, where is the proof? The proof is what I'm showing now. You go on your Play Store, like your Google Play Store. If you are using Android, you can go on your Google Play Store, Apple Store for iPhone, and then you just type Swagbucks. You type Swagbucks, and just click on it, and then you see it here, and they are saying this app is not available on Google Play. In my read, they are not, like, it's not a must for you to always use an application in your phone in order to do all those things. You can simply go to Google Chrome on your phone, and then you get it. Like, just type, once you're on your Google Chrome, just type Swagbucks, and then you see that, okay, you are seeing it here, Swagbucks. You click on it, so guys, as you can see, I've been able to log my account using my email. So this is my account, and I have Swagbucks on my phone, and everything is showing here. So my 191 Swagbucks is here, and everything is here. So the bottom line of this video is, like, you can use your phone to do Swagbucks. You can answer surveys and do all of those things that I showed you on my laptop. You can still do them on your phone. All right. Last but not least, the last application, or the number 3 application that we have on our list, is called CryptoTab. You can use that application to make money on your phone. So you may be wondering, like, Emmanuel, what's CryptoTab, right? CryptoTab is just an application, like a browser, just like any other browser. We have different browsers like Google Chrome, we have Firefox, we have internet, whatever. I don't know their names, but like we have different browsers, and Opera Mini and all of that. So CryptoTab is also a browser, just like any other browser. But the difference between CryptoTab and those other browsers is that CryptoTab gives you the opportunity to be browsing and also mining Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is just a token, right? And in order for people to make Bitcoin, they need processor, but they don't have enough processor, So that is the reason why they are begging for your processor, your phone processor, so that they can use that processor to mine Bitcoin and reward you some small money. So you can use CryptoTab on your phone, and while you are browsing, you're also making money at the same time. This is CryptoTab on the phone right here. So we have CryptoTab here on our phone, and CryptoTab browser light notification make things easier, but I don't want notifications, so I'll say no thanks. And right now we are on CryptoTab, so it's loading. So now I want to skip all those things because I just want to show you what I came here for, So I don't want all those things, I just started using CryptoTab as well. Like, I've started making some small Bitcoin in it, and if you want to withdraw it, you just have to link your PayPal account to it, just like any other application. All you need to do is just use the application to browse. Don't even mind the crypto again after you've clicked on mine, So where do I click on mine, right? Come here and click activate, and then there are different levels. You can do 1,500 H per S, and then 1,000 and all of that. But those ones, you need to pay some money to increase the speed at which you mine Bitcoin. But this one is free. Just click on this one for free and just do this security verification, and once it's done, you are good to go. I'm already mining Bitcoin right now, and it's real Bitcoin, like real Bitcoin that you can use your Coinbase. You can withdraw it from Coinbase, Binance, or PayPal, or all of that, But I want to show you that you can mine Bitcoin from your CryptoTab and make money online. So since I've been on this application, I've been able to mine 7 Bitcoin, and I don't really do it like that. Like, I don't really focus on it like that. I think it's been like 2 weeks that I've not opened this application, but I'm just trying to show you guys, if you're interested in it, then you can start using it as your favorite browser and you can make money on it. You can Google it or type it on YouTube, CryptoTab, and you'll see that people are actually making money from it. So guys, that was it. You've made it to the end of the video, so I'm really grateful for that. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share it to people that may want to start making money online just like you. And those are the 3 applications that you can use in 2024 to start generating small amount of money for your daily expenses. Not big, small.